In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're prepping for a presentation or organizing project milestones, creating a timeline in PowerPoint is a straightforward and effective way to visualize information. By the end of this guide, you'll have a polished timeline that's sure to impress. First things first, let's get started by opening your internet browser of choice. In the search bar, type in Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll want to navigate to the main Microsoft PowerPoint site. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the link to open PowerPoint. Depending on your setup, you might access this directly in the browser or through the Microsoft Office suite if it's already installed on your computer. If you're using the browser version, keep it open in case you need to quickly access any other features online. Now that you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to log in. Ensure you're using your Microsoft account credentials. If you haven't logged in for a while, or if it's your first time, you might need to verify your account, so have those details on hand just in case. Once you're logged in, you're ready to choose your PowerPoint presentation. This can either be a new, blank presentation or an existing one that you're working on. Just select the file and give it a moment to load. Once your PowerPoint presentation is open, navigate to the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Insert. Click on it, and this will expand a series of options. Now, look for the Smart Art button. It should have an arrow below it, indicating more options are available. Click on this down arrow, which will bring up a wider variety of Smart Art graphics. In these Smart Art options, scroll until you find the category labeled Timeline. This section contains several variations of timeline graphics like the basic timeline or the more visually dynamic circle accent timeline. Choose one that suits the style and content of your presentation. Once you've decided, select it and then click OK. This action will insert the timeline graphic onto your current slide. Your timeline graphic will now be visible on the slide. You'll see text placeholders within the graphic or a text pane on the side, where you can begin inputting your information. This is where you add all your key details, from specific milestones to dates, and any pertinent brief descriptions. To make your timeline uniquely yours, use the Smart Art Design and Format tabs that automatically appear in the ribbon whenever your Smart Art is selected. These tools offer a variety of customization options to change colors, add effects, or switch to a different graphic style if desired. Explore these features to create a timeline that truly aligns with your presentation's theme and purpose. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a visually appealing timeline in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more helpful tutorials.